Namaskara, this is Guru and welcome to Belesiri channel. Today I'm going to talk about why the roots turn brown or black in hydroponic systems or in general, right? So since this is hydroponic specific discussion, we'll be discussing about the systems like NFTs, nutrient film technique or deep water culture kind of systems where you can actually take out the roots and check. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like it, and share it with your friends. I always compare roots with the tongue of our body, right? Of our mouth. So earlier days, doctors used to see your tongue. When I was a kid, at least they used to do. So it indicates lots of things. Just like that, root health indicates the health of the plant. Like roots are white, that means the plant is healthy. Roots are not white, that means they are getting infected. They are getting affected by some of the bad microbes in the water. So how do we prevent it? How to control it? Everything we're going to talk today. So when we check the roots, that's what you have to do when you are going inside your hydroponic garden. So check the roots, you take it out and see how the color of the root is. It is white, brown or black. If it is white, that's fine. If it is turning brown, that means there is a problem piling up, like microbes are growing inside the water due to some reasons, and then they are piling up and they are decomposing the roots. That's what it indicates. So if you ignore it further, then the roots are going to become black and they'll start detaching. If you just take it out, they'll come out. So to prevent this, what you should do is you have to provide lots of oxygenation inside the water. So how do you do it? You can use any means to increase the oxygenation. How the oxygenation is increased? You just create bubbles. How you do it? With hands or with some stick or something, some plastic pipe. You just stagger, you just keep disturbing the water, keep creating bubbles in it. Or what you do is you just add an oxygen pump, add oxygenation through some air pumps, right? So that makes lots of wonders. That creates lots of oxygen into the water system. Or in NFT system, what you can do is you can drop the water from the top. When the water keeps dropping from the top, it creates lots of bubbles and oxygenation increases. That also works. In case after doing all this and still you're seeing roots are brown, that means there could be again a piling up of microbes because of inadequate oxygenation. Because sometimes what happens is, the water stands still. You're just doing something in the tank, but actually in the NFT pipes and all, it's still standstill water because of because of the level of the pipe, and it's not flowing properly, or lots of reasons. As a prevention, what you can do is you can use any anti-fungus inside the water, like Trichoderma viridae you can add in the water, or you can add hydrogen peroxide. Okay, that's the best cleaning agent and antibacterial, which will actually keep your water clean. As a precaution also you can add, or you can add ultraviolet treatment when you're recycling the water back. So these are three different methods that will help you to even prevent and control the microbes piling up into the water. We'll not get into details, what are the names of the microbes and all, because we're not going to write any exam for that. You should just understand little basics, that what is causing this and how to prevent it. That's enough for now, right? If you want to know more about it, what are the bacteria and how they pile up and how they eat and all those things, you can do some research online and get some information. So I don't want to bore you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and we do try to help beginners. These are the questions mostly my students ask. I just wanted to do videos on each of these topics. So these are kind of frequently asked questions, and we do try to help beginners dealing with all these challenges so that they can get bigger and bigger and grow better and better. Okay, thank you so much. And if you think this is helping you, please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends and family. And do visit us, and if you want to learn, let me know and I will teach you how to do farming. I'll be sharing my experiences, rich experience that I have in last few years, right? It is lots of learning, and I'm still learning, and it's a lifelong learning. Happy gardening, happy learning, Bye bye. Namaskara.